Coming soon. Showings will begin at the open house this Sunday, December 13, 2020 from 2 to 4 p.m. This incredibly cared for and hard-to-find home is conveniently situated high atop its greatly desired subdivision. It will be the perfect place to plant your familial roots. Whether it's for shopping, entertainment, or work, this location ensures a quick commute anywhere between Lenoir City and Farragut with only the low property taxes of Loudon County. The attention to detail here is incredible. From the freshly updated kitchen to the completely refinished pool, everything is done and completely ready for you to move in. Come ready to the open house as this beauty speaks for itself and will not last long.